feel a bit uneasy in your relationship, maybe something just doesn't feel right, the affection is disappearing, the arguments are getting longer, the interest is starting to fade away. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And ladies, in this video, I will share with you the 6 ways of how to improve your relationship. But just before I do that, don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out are you a woman of high value or low value, which I will drop down in my video description box below. And if you like what I'm wearing with this exactly the same quote, chase goals, no drama, you can get that in my YouTube store. And without further ado, let's start with number 1. Stop picking on small things. Nagging, complaining, blaming him for the things that he does that you do not like, well, it doesn't work, as all you do is give him negative attention. And yes, in the beginning it's actually fun to see someone giving you a bit of negativity because it shows how much we care about you, right? Yet after a while it starts to become really irritating. Even in the Bible it says it's better to sleep on the roof than be in the same house with a naggy wife. If you do not like things that he does, there are other ways that are much more productive and effective than nagging that actually give results, such as setting in boundaries, for example, where you aren't actually nagging but setting in a boundary with your action. And as always, the boundary video you can find just by following the link right here. Number 2, let go of the past. When you do not like something that he did, do not explode on him with all his past mistakes and things that you potentially been holding in for a long time, as that is exactly how relationships crash. He does little things off for a while, let's say 4 or 5 months. You sweep it under the carpet because you don't want to cause arguments. And then 4 months later he does something off and you explode on him with everything that you've been holding in for the last 4 or 5 months. The outcome usually leads to breakups, power games, or him saying, "Ooh, it's too much pressure," or "I'm not good for you," or "I feel like I'm not ready for a relationship. I think we are moving too fast," and so on. So instead, stop him from doing something that you do not like on a spot. Just not in an aggressive way. You can stop disrespectful things in even a fun and jokey way. In fact, calling things out in a jokey, casual way takes it much further than sitting a person down for that serious conversation talk or exploding with all the problems that you have about him in one go. Number 3, make yourself happy. Do not rely on the guy for making you happy all the time. He should never be a source of all of your happiness. Not only that it makes you look needy, but it also puts a lot of pressure on him. And how do you make yourself happy? Well, do things that you like to do. And what brings the most happiness is usually personal growth, self-improvements in your life. So maybe you have a hobby that you can expand. Maybe, for example, you like to dance, which can be a short term of happiness if you just like to dance and enjoy yourself. Yet it can become a longer term happiness if you decide to take the dancing classes to an extra level and go all the way, for example, to a professional level. And a lot of times we are not looking just for happiness, we are looking for something that goes beyond that, which is living a life with a meaning behind it and serve others. Number 4, have a common hobby. Having a common hobby that you both enjoy a lot not only creates a beautiful connection, but it also rekindles the relationship when things aren't just going that well. This is why it's so important to choose a partner that you have things in common. Maybe you both like to ski, maybe you both like to play chess, maybe you both are interested in psychology, painting, sports, etc. Number 5, let him lead and pursue, yet appreciate him for it. Let a man pursue you. Wait it out for that message, for him to ask you out and arrange the date. Have some patience and practice self-control. Do not act entitled to it. And be happy and open when he does it. If he's charming, enjoy it. If he's helping you out, appreciate it. Number 6, give each other space. It is in the absence of a woman that a man realizes his feelings for her. And the fights, arguments, and picking on each other happens when we spend too much time together. A bit of space is gold in your relationship. Do not look at it like it's a bad thing, because it is not. And why it's not a bad thing and why men need to pull away, please watch my video right here or here. So ladies, these were my 6 tips on how to improve a relationship. If you found this video, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like it and share it with the ladies that need it. If you want to know how to stay attractive via text, how to get your ex back, games men play on women, how to control your emotions, or how to love yourself, you can get all of these videos on my website, which is called GretaBereisaite.com. Join Greta's High Value Woman School, which is a free Facebook group, and we are there in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. At this time being, for the next week, I have a competition, so you ladies can actually win 1 month free in my VIP 1 or VIP 2. And all the details you will find when you will join Greta's High Value Woman School. Follow me on my Instagram, which is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one group coaching or coaching with a member of my team, book me through my website, which is called GretaBereisaite.com. Thank you so much for watching, my queens. Have a happy new year. Happy 2021. I hope this year will bring everyone happiness, abundance, love, prosperity. May all your wishes and dreams come true. Kisses from Dorset.